Right now, sugar is quietly overwhelming your liver, flooding your pancreas, and inflaming your arterial walls. But the moment you cut it out entirely, something remarkable begins. Within 48 hours, your internal organs start a measurable biological reset. Let's travel inside your body and watch exactly when the healing begins. The first organ to respond is your pancreas. After years of pumping emergency insulin to manage glucose spikes, it finally exhales. Insulin secretion stabilizes. Within 48 hours, systemic inflammation markers in your bloodstream begin falling. Simultaneously, your kidneys, no longer fighting sugar-driven sodium retention, begin flushing the excess fluid that was keeping your tissues puffy and pressurized. Deep inside your abdomen, your liver is making its most dramatic shift. For years, it has been converting excess fructose, particularly from high fructose corn syrup, directly into visceral fat, suppressing its own repair enzymes in the process. Now, without that constant glucose flood, it redirects its energy. Fatty liver markers begin improving, liver enzymes regenerate, and your liver begins producing ketones, a cleaner, steadier fuel source your cells have been waiting for. Further down your digestive tract, a silent civil war is ending. Sugar-dependent bacteria and candida organisms that thrive on glucose begin dying off in significant numbers. Your intestinal lining, previously weakened and permeable, begins reinforcing itself. Nutrient absorption improves, and along the gut-brain axis, hunger signaling begins recalibrating, your body slowly relearning the difference between genuine hunger and a glucose craving. 1. Inside your arterial walls, glycation, the process where excess sugar binds to proteins and stiffens your vessels, begins slowing. Arterial flexibility improves. Blood pressure stabilizes. Your kidneys, relieved of the microvascular stress that chronically elevated blood sugar produces, begin protecting the delicate filtration structures they had been quietly losing. The cardiovascular system, for the first time in years, operates without that hidden, sugar-induced load. In your brain, the fog begins lifting. Without the erratic glucose spikes destabilizing your cerebral cortex, cognitive clarity improves. Your hormones follow. Leptin and ghrelin, the two signals that govern satiety and hunger, regain their sensitivity, restoring your body's natural ability to self-regulate appetite. And at the cellular level, autophagy is triggered. Your cells, no longer occupied with managing constant glucose surges, begin their deepest form of self-repair. This is not weight loss. This is your entire internal architecture rebuilding itself organ by organ, cell by cell. The moment you remove the one substance that was silently disrupting all of it, the biology is already waiting. The only variable is when you decide to begin. For educational and informational purposes only. This content does not constitute medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment.